In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pen feature in Adobe Acrobat, which can be incredibly useful for annotating your documents effectively and creatively. Let's dive into this full 2025 guide on mastering the pen tool in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. This is your starting point and is simple to do. Just launch Acrobat and load the PDF document you wish to work with. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to Acrobat. It's packed with tools, but for now we're going to focus on just a few. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the toolbar on the left side of your PDF document. In this toolbar you will find a variety of options, but the one we are interested in is the Draw Freehand button. Clicking this button activates the pen tool, allowing you to directly interact with your document through freehand drawing and writing. Now that you have activated the pen feature, it's time to get creative. You can draw on your document as if you were using a real pen on paper. This tool is fantastic for jotting down notes, highlighting important sections, or making your documents more visually engaging. Remember, a steady hand can help keep your annotations looking neat, so take it slow at first if new to digital drawing. As you're exploring the drawing feature, you might want to customize your annotations to suit your preferences or make certain parts stand out. Within the same drawing toolset, you have options to change the color and thickness of your strokes. Experiment with different colors to categorize notes or emphasize changes, and adjust the thickness based on what looks best to you or suits each specific annotation's purpose. Whether you prefer vibrant hues for highlighting or subtle tones for simple notes, the customization options are there to fit your needs. Before you finish, remember to save your work regularly. This will ensure all your hard work is preserved. You can either save the document under a new name to create a copy, keeping your original intact, or overwrite the existing version depending on your preference. And there you have it, the basics of using the pen feature in Adobe Acrobat. By incorporating these steps into your workflow, you can turn any PDF document into a dynamic workspace that suits your creative and professional needs. As you grow more comfortable with these tools, you'll find countless ways to enhance your documents effortlessly. Thank you for joining me in this instructional session. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy annotating!